If you're into preserves or vacuum sealing your food, this thing is going to change everything in the kitchen. I can't believe we never had this before. It is a vacuum sealer with that silicone, nice little seal vacuum, and it comes with all of this here. So you've got 3 of the larger covers, you've got the medium or smaller covers right here. They all come with that silicone backing or that seal right there, and the release pressure valve, which is really, really cool and nifty. Now, the one thing in a typical mason jar like this one, you'd think that this would be enough and it would seal, but I've tried it and you need to go a little oversized. And the reason is because of these ridges. If you go oversized, like here, this one here will literally just grab onto everything and make sure that everything is sealed. And how this works is so easy. Put that on there. Obviously, you fill it with your favorite food or what you want to preserve, and you little press that button once. And as you can see, it's literally kissing that seal, that valve in there. And then I can just let it go, do other things, let it go. It takes about 45 seconds to do the entire thing. And my God, guys, it is extremely sealed. This is completely vacuum sealed. You can press the button right here, right there. I can press the button, look at this, and then open it up, 0 issues there. Or, I'll show you. This is so sealed. Or if you don't want to press the button, you really want to see how sealed it is, that's how sealed it is. That's pretty incredible. So you've got 3 of those. You've got 3 of the smaller ones. Will fit different types of jars, not just mason jars, and of course, depending on the width of the jar. Love that it is a rechargeable unit, so they do provide the USB-C to USB-A, super easy right there. There's only 1 button and 1 charge plug. That's it. Love that. And on top of that, which I think is really cool, is they give you 2 little bags. Of course, you can get some more, but they start you with 2 bags, and the 2 bags will work. I've got like these little creatine gummies here. They give you this, I like it. My wife is not a big fan of these, but I have trouble with Ziploc bags for some reason. And this makes it super easy. I just go in here and grab and literally, boom, I am done. This is sealed. So of course you still have air here. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go and kiss that seal with the vacuum and start it. And you're gonna see it right away. Look at this. Instant. It takes, what, 10 seconds? And of course, boom. And look at that. Sealed, preserved. I can keep my food for a longer time because it's not touching air. So whether they're in jars or in little baggies like this, I think this thing is fantastic. Love that it is a proper starter kit. But yeah, we're going to be vacuum sealing, I think, the entire kitchen at this point.